You are about to watch an extremely effective natural protocol for multiple sclerosis. Symptoms of multiple sclerosis can include blurred or doubled vision, loss of coordination, numbness, tingling, electrical shock feelings, muscle weakness or muscle wasting, slurred speech, flashing lights, vertigo, foot drop, difficulty maintaining posture. Hi, I'm Dr. Ray Wisniewski. I'm a chiropractor, a nutritional consultant, and considered one of America's premier health professionals. And the following protocol is based on my more than 25 years of clinical experience. All the products discussed can be purchased on our website, which is www.nutritionanswerman.com. And the information provided in this video is not intended to diagnose, treat, or cure any condition and has not been evaluated by the FDA, and it is not meant for you to self-diagnose or self-treat your specific health issue. This is a disclaimer that you can read through. Essentially states that if you intend to prevent or treat a specific disease or condition, you should first always consult with and seek clearance from a qualified healthcare professional. I am the Nutrition Answer Man. I have over 25 years helping people heal naturally and reaching their optimum health potential. And a lot of people consider me to be a perfectionist because I'm always constantly trying to find the very best solutions to allow individuals to reach their optimum health potential. I've created the Nutrimost.com and nutritionanswerman.com. With multiple sclerosis, the first thing that we have to realize is that the United States is one of the only countries in the world who actually believe in an autoimmune condition. In fact, Punjabi and his associates at Cambridge University in England have clearly established that there are no autoimmune diseases, but rather a misdiagnosis of a true infection. In other words, what happens is that so many people think that the body is actually attacking itself, when in reality it's usually due to something like either a virus, a nanobacteria, which is up to 1,000 times smaller than normal bacteria, getting into the cell and the body trying to attack those nanobacteria, the virus, mycoplasma, parasites, oncogene. It could be a viral expression on the gene deck. But the one thing that we know, that if we can truly identify these infections that are driving this autoimmune disorder, these autoimmune titers can actually disappear within 4 to 6 months when we correctly manage them. So let's take a look at what we're going to do to manage multiple sclerosis. It involves 7 objectives. First, get the first morning urine pH between 6.4 to 7.0. Next, strengthen the key immune systems. Next, we got to quench the free radicals, raise our cell energy, stabilize the nerve tissue and the cell membrane. Now eliminate the infectious driver or the toxins, and then restore the normal nerve flow. If we can do these 7 things, everything changes, and particularly those last 2. So the first thing is we're going to balance the first morning urine pH between 6.4 and 7.0, and the best way to do that is to use our pH trio. In our program, we give you information to show you exactly how to use that. Ours uses the Nutrimost Coral Legend, the cod liver oil, and the aloe vera. That's by far the best method there is to do this. Now let's get to some of the other things you can do, because the next most important thing is we need to suppress the virus and raise the immune response. And that's one of the things with multiple sclerosis. It tends to be a virus that is the expression that's driving this. So the first thing we do is we use our HCl detox kit. We'll use Myotaki complex. And the next thing, we're going to raise cell energy with CoQ10, which is our fully reduced form of CoQ10, and no amount of ordinary CoQ10 can equal just 1 dose of CoQ10. And that, along with our Max Stress B, which is the only fully reduced, fully methylated B vitamins that there is. And go to our website and see this. It's unbelievable. The other thing, quench free radicals and reperfuse nerves. We're going to use DHLA, which is dihydrolipoic acid. It's the only substance that we know of that can quench every single free radical known to exist in living tissue. That's oxygen-related species and nitrogen-related species. It's able to cross over the blood-brain barrier. It can reperfuse nerves. That means it can bring oxygenation to the nerves. The other thing we'll use is our Super Nano Green Tea. That's one of the most effective free radical quenchers. It's an incredible antioxidant. To stabilize the cell membrane, First, you have to replace trans fats. Get trans fats out of your life, but use cod liver oil or USP grade cod liver oil, essential fatty acids, the phosphatidyls such as our brain complex and lecithin. Additional nerve support that you can do in addition to this is to just make sure that you're using nerve complex, which will support nerve regeneration and growth, and vitamin C, which helps regenerate the myelin sheath. So the last thing, which is one of the most important things, is to restore normal nerve flow. And we do that by correcting any sedated nerves. And sedated nerves is nerve interference, and this is always, always, always present with all multiple sclerosis. And correcting this alone has been found to have a tremendous effect. And to do that, you need to go to a specific structural correction chiropractor. But I just want to let people know, I've been doing this for over 25 years, and everything changed the moment that I began looking at multiple sclerosis and these other autoimmune syndromes as the body attacking a microorganism. And realize the body is not dumb. It's incredibly intelligent. And when we use this, everything changes. In fact, by using this approach, I've seen drastic changes in these so-called autoimmune disorders, and particularly multiple sclerosis. And although results do vary, this protocol has been shown to dramatically improve and or eliminate the autoimmune disorders in as little as 4 months. So just a quick review, and you can get all these supplements on our website at Nutrimost.com or nutritionanswerman.com. There's a link from Nutrition Answer Man. But we would make basically a concoction of, these are all liquids. We're going to put them into 24 to 32 ounces of water. The CoQ-quinol, the DHLA, Max Stress B, the Super Nano Green Tea. We're going to take HCl and HCl activator after meals. We're going to take our Myotaki complex with the meals. And just make sure that you have a proper pH balance. If that's off, you're going to use the pH trio. And above all, you need to do a specific corrective chiropractic to correct these sedated nerves. And I can't stress enough the importance of the specific structural corrective chiropractic adjustment for this condition. It's absolutely incredible. One of the things, though, I'll be glad to give guidance after hearing more of your history to fine-tune some of the recommendations. We can give you the specific amounts. I am available for personal consultations. You can go to nutritionanswerman.com or to our Nutrimost Multiple Sclerosis Support Pack, which also includes the guidelines to assist your health professional in your dosage amounts, as well as the information for the specific supplements that we recommend to support correcting multiple sclerosis. But as I stated before, I'd always ask you to consult with and seek clearance from a qualified healthcare professional. In our protocol, there's nothing else like it. Our supplements have absolutely no toxic excipients, which is huge with multiple sclerosis. You do not want to have any of these toxic excipients. And look on the side of your bottles. Look under other ingredients. Are there any magnesium stearate or microcrystalline magnesium stearate or vegetable stearate or palmitic acid, sodium benzoate, silica? Always check these. Our products have never been fumigated or irradiated. They're grade 10. They're bottled in a specific protection to protect the nutrients from the harmful light that occurs between 450 nanometers and 720 nanometers. This is the system and the nutritional support that really has many people recovering from these conditions that they thought were not recoverable. They never thought their recovery would occur. So you can go to nutritionanswerman.com. You can find more videos by me. And as I said, this is not intended to treat or cure any condition, and the individual results will vary. But go to nutritionanswerman.com, order the MS support kit, or you can call 1-800-597-7325. I will also include a certificate for a free nerve scan and structural correction x-ray by a Nutrimost chiropractor in your area. You can order that. We'll be glad to give you the guidelines plus a certificate for a free nerve scan and structural corrective x-ray.